Want to maintain a spotless property and impress every guest? A well-structured cleaning checklist can boost your ratings and ensure consistency every time. Today, we're exploring the HostFiler Cleaning Checklist Builder, a powerful tool designed to help hosts manage cleaning tasks like a pro. Let's get started. We begin on the HostFiler homepage. Scroll down, and you'll find a range of useful tools designed specifically for hosts. We've already covered tools like the Guestbook Builder and Wi-Fi Sign Maker. Today, we're focusing on the Cleaning Checklist Builder. Click on Cleaning Checklist Builder to begin. If you're a new user, sign up using your email, or simply continue with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you'll see key details like total artifacts, published items, and your token balance. New users typically receive 25 tokens to get started. Before creating a checklist, you need to set up your property. Click on Add Your Property. On the next screen, click Add Property. Now fill in the property details: property name, host name, property type, phone number, and address. Add your email and website if available. For the description, you can use the sample library or write your own. Enter check-in and check-out times. You can also add emergency contact details and any special instructions. Scroll down to explore additional options like booking platforms, social media links, and map previews. Once everything is filled, click Create Property. Now your property is ready. Head back to the dashboard. Scroll to the Build section and click on Cleaning Checklist Builder. Click on Create New. Select your property. You can name your checklist based on date or customize it. Adjust the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Enter the square footage if needed. Choose your cleaning type: standard turnover or deep cleaning. You can also set turnover frequency like daily, weekly, or monthly. Next, select amenities such as gym, outdoor areas, washer, fireplace, BBQ grill, and more. Click Continue. Now, you'll see detailed task sections starting with the living room. Each task includes estimated time, helping you plan efficiently. You can customize tasks, adjust timing, or choose whether to include them. Use the toggle to show or hide tasks as needed. Scroll down to configure bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, and all selected areas. If needed, you can add new rooms manually. Once everything is set, click Continue. Now comes the preview section. Here you can see how your checklist will look. Customize colors, choose your primary and accent colors, and select a template that matches your brand. Once satisfied, click Continue to publish. Your cleaning checklist is now ready. And that's it. Your professional cleaning checklist is ready to go. With just one tool, you can standardize your cleaning process, save time, and deliver a better guest experience. You'll also notice that only one token was used from your balance. To explore more powerful tools for hosts, visit hostfiler.com. Everything you need to manage your rental like a pro is just a click away.